we'll guide you through how to install Krita on Linux. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your terminal, which is usually found in your system's applications menu. Once it's open, you'll want to update your system's package list to ensure you're getting the latest version of Krita. You can do this by typing the command sudo apt update and pressing enter. Your system might ask for your password, so go ahead and enter it. After the update is complete, you need to add the Krita repository to your system to ensure you're downloading the official package. Type sudo add-apt repository ppa kritalime/ppa and hit enter. This will add the Krita repository to your package manager. Once that's done, it's time to install Krita. Type sudo apt install Krita and press enter. Your system will prompt you to confirm the installation by typing Y for yes. This process might take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, so be patient while the installation completes. After the installation is finished, you can find Krita in your applications menu. Just click on it to open and start creating your digital art. If you encounter any issues during installation, make sure your system is up to date and try again. Also, remember that Krita is regularly updated, so keep an eye out for any new updates by running sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade periodically. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.